about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all. You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, oblivion. Oh, go in.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. I'm staying safe. Today I just started my vlog too early. I hope you guys might be sleeping at this time because now the time is 6:30. Yes. We are going to a family friend's marriage. On the way, I thought of having a darshan of goddess Katerama. So let's go. Wow, it's really a beautiful temple and surroundings also they're maintained so well. And here let's go for darshan. We really had a great darshan and I'm so happy to visit this temple. It is 6:30. They just started decorating the idol of Katerama and we are so proud to be here today. And anyways, we started our journey guys and here you can see the beautiful sunrise. Many people spend a significant amount of time traveling by car every day. From the dreaded rush hours, traffic jam to quiet trips with the window down. There are certainly some times that are better than other for traveling in a car. But when it is a best time to schedule vacations, the best time of day to travel by car is early in the morning. Before the rush hour, you should plan to leave around 6 a.m. If you are only driving a short distance and even earlier for long road trips, there are less traffic and meaning that driving in the morning is very safest. And also there is one more benefit called vitamin D. The sun UV rays helps our body makes this nutrient which is important for your bones, blood cells and immune system. It is also helps you take in and use certain minerals like calcium and phosphorus. That is the reason we always try to start our journey in the very early mornings. We'll really be close to the nature in the early mornings because only at that time there will be a very less pollution. Otherwise, we'll definitely won't feel like coming out nor watching any views like that. So early mornings definitely wherever we see, definitely we're gonna see a beautiful nature. So in between we just stop for this coconut water. You guys have to believe this. We just felt the coconuts as kept in the freezer. It was that cold and we really enjoyed that coconut water. So many monkeys here. I thought of showing you guys. Just have a look. So it's my turn to drink this fresh coconut water in the early morning and this is also very good for our health. Every day if we drink with the empty stomach, definitely we'll be gaining lot many benefits for our body. And yes, we started our journey again. We are feeling hungry and we are searching for the hotels to have a breakfast and here we saw right side there is Anand Bhavan. So yes, we have a lot of expectations to have a good breakfast. Definitely right guys, whenever we come out we feel like having the best breakfast. So we decided to have a breakfast in Anand Bhavan. Are you guys ready to watch? Then what for you're waiting guys? Please follow me. We just came here to taste the butter idli, but unfortunately it is not available now. We really don't know the reasons behind that, because Anand Bhavan definitely they'll be serving even the butter idlis. None other places will have the butter idlis. So here we have just given an order and we are waiting for it. So of course I ordered idli only, because morning time I really feel like having idli. And of course we ordered for even pongal. Our breakfast is ready and I'll catch you up once I'm done with it. So nicely they've just trimmed this plants. They're really looking beautiful. Yeah, and with the sunlight they're really shining like anything. You can see the two shades in it. Yes, again we started traveling, and on the way I'm going to show you the beautiful views, beautiful greenery. Please come with me. There are a lot many forms, guys. I really felt so amazing watching that forms and thought of sharing with you also. So please watch it. On the way I saw so many mango forms, and they are really looking so beautiful with the mango flowers, and they are really looking with the tender leaves. The color is like pinkish. They are really beautiful to see, guys. I thought of having a pic also, but we don't have that much time. So on the way I keep watching them, and we reached the place. Marriage, it's really a wonderful moment in anybody's life. We really feel so heavy, and crying, tenderness, and love were tying knots in every part of our life. Most of the times, we feel like attending the marriages in the evenings, but this is very far from our place. We feel like visiting in the morning.